You are my Chinese teacher. Okay. So please say
Okay.
okay.
Hello.
Thank you for stop the music. So how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. Are you Chinese?
Where are you?
Chinese?
Yes, Chinese.
Wow, nice. I'm from
Yes.
Bangladesh.
Okay.
Okay. So your name? What's your name?
My name is Hua Cai.
I cannot read Chinese. So please say what's your name? I cannot read and write Chinese.
My name is.
Flowers. Flowers. Your name is Flowers.
Yes.
Oh, nice name. So which flowers? Rose, jasmine, lily. Which flower? Okay, you look like a beautiful doll.
Thank you.
Welcome. I can speak Chinese. So can you teach me some
Oh.
Chinese?
Oh.
Okay, can you teach me some Chinese if you don't mind?
I teach you.
Yeah, Chinese.
I teach you Chinese.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank
你
you.
好.
Ni hao,
你好.
ni hao. It means hello, right? Ni hao. Please say how to say I love you in Chinese. How to say I love you in Chinese.
No.
Please, never mind, never mind. You are my teacher. You are my teacher now. You are my teacher now. Please say how to say I love you in Chinese. You are my Chinese teacher. Okay. So please say
Okay.
okay.
I love you. Love me.
Yeah. Okay,
Yes.
listen. So your name is Flower, right?
Yes.
Okay. So listen. I need Flower.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.